Hi, Miss!
Assalamualaikum, Miss Keith. Thank you for everything and thank you for being such a great teacher for us and continue to inspire many students. Amping and good luck to your journey.
Hi, Miss P! Thank you so much for being such a considerate teacher since pang-freshman pa na ako. And ikaw ako ang ginalook up, ikaw akong idol teacher, ikaw akong favorite teacher sa college. And bisa nito nga, ganahan po kami ma-under lang yung pag-partner ng upuan, but again, you have your own journey sad. So, I wish you luck po. Thank you and amping.
We will miss you, Miss.
And we hope to see you again soon, Miss. Bye!
Thank you and God bless Miss Kim. 1, 2, 3, go. Hi, Miss! Miss, thank you for your positive influence that you brought in our college life. Good luck with your future endeavors in Japan. You've been our biggest inspiration, Miss, so we wish you continued success. Thank you for everything, Miss, and God bless. We will miss you, Miss. Have a safe flight.
Okay na to, okay na. Morning.
Hi, Miss! Good luck on your new journey.
We're so proud of you.
Hi, Miss! So, kay mama ka, Miss. Siyempre, wala kayo. Pero wala kayo isulti. Wala ka nasuko, pero nasuko ko. Pero kay mama, ito ka, Miss nga. Sa imo, jud ko una. Ikaw, Miss, ka na. Sa imo, jud ako una na-appreciate ang farma. Pero mo na nilalert ko doon. Kaya pag ilang sa kanya, tama na po to ay kulira. Sherlock to tayo. Miss you.
Japan. We hope that you will enjoy your stay. Pakuyuga mi, Miss.
Good luck sa inyong new adventure, Miss.
Take care, Miss. And
Sister!
Thank you, Miss. Good luck in Japan.
Bye-bye. Amping.
Konnichiwa, Sensei. Iro-iro to arigatou gozaimashita. Anzuna harai to o inori shimasu.
Dili, uy. Miss, we will miss you, Miss. Thank you for the knowledge that you had shared to us.
Angels are crying. My luck's running out. I'm still naive. But you it's my intention. Keep on feeling fancies. Lost of all my senses.
Let looks like. Pero nipis niya siya. Let's see.
With a smile, you can't win at everything, but you can try.